Hi, and welcome to Robot Framework Online Training. This session is brought to you by SAP IDS Training. You can contact us at info@sapids.training.com or else call us directly on the registered number, that is 8121-020-888. In today's session, you will explore what exactly this robot framework is all about, what is its architectural overview, or what is the course curriculum we are going to be provided as a part of this training, etc. So let's get started with. This slide gives you a basic introduction to Robot Framework. Robot Framework, it is an operating system and it is an application independent. The core framework is implemented by using Python. It supports both the versions of Python, that is Python 2 and Python 3, and it also runs on JThon, which is a JVM, and an Iron Python, which is called as .NET. The framework has a rich ecosystem around it, which consists of various generic test libraries and tools that are developed as a separate projects. So, the Robot Framework is a generic open source test automation framework for both the acceptance testing and the acceptance test driven development. Let's see about the next slide. Robot Framework has a modular architecture which can be extended with bundled and self-made test libraries. The test data is defined in files using the syntax. A file containing test cases creates a test suite and places these files into directories by creating a nested structure of these test suites. Don't worry, this all will be covered as a part of online training by our expert consultants. Moving on to next slide, this gives you a brief overview on like what exactly the course syllabus we are going to be covered as a part of Robot Framework online training. Basically, it will be the overview on Robot Framework. Then moving on to the concepts called as installation and uninstallation of the software, and then moving on to the demonstration. Then moving on to the next slide, you will come across the about creating test data. In this session, you will come across syntax of test data, how to create test cases and test suites. Then you will move on to the topic concepts of using the test libraries, then the variables, then creating of user keywords, then you will come across the concepts of resource, the variable files, etc., and the advanced features. Moving on to the other topic, it is like about execution of test cases. Here you will come across the about basic usage, the test execution, post-processing outputs, configuration and execution. Moving on to the next topic, uh, it will cover the concepts of extending robot framework. Here you will come across how to create test libraries, concepts of remote library interface, using of listener interface, how to extend robot framework jar, etc. Moving on to the next topic, like here you will come across the concepts of supporting tools. Under this you will come across about library documentation tools, test data documentation tools, then moving on to the other topic like test data cleanup tools and the other various different tools which are distributed in the robot framework and the external tools also. Moving on to the other topic, like here you'll come across the other concepts which are as follows, like all available settings in the test cases, all command line options, templates of test data, documentation formatting, the time format, and the concepts of internal API. Well, that was about the course content which we are going to be cover. And moving on to this slide, this gives you the various test libraries. All this will be explained in detail by our expert consultant just to give you an overview. Um, so the test libraries are of three types. They are like standard libraries, external libraries, and project and team specific libraries. So in under standard libraries, you will come across normal installation, operating system, screenshots, strings, telnet, and XML. Under external libraries, these must be installed separately, and it is of Selenium 2 library, Swing library, database library, AutoL library, SSH shell library, and HTTP library. All this will be discussed in detail as a part of robot framework online training. And the other one, as said before, like it is project and team specific libraries. Moving on to next slide, this gives you an integrations in robot framework. Test suites are created from files and directories. the trivial to store into any version's control system. The other integration is like simple command line interface, which has easy to start test execution by external tools. The other internal integration is like output. This also can be an XML format, which means all the informations are machine readable language and the output from different test runs can be combined. Well, all the participant, what you need to do is like you need to get yourself register in our website by request and demo. Our website is www.sapidstraining.com, or else directly email us on info@sapidstraining.com, or else call us directly on the registered number, that is 8121020888. Upon getting your request, our team member will coordinate with you. They take your feasibility and uh, you will be coming to the demo. Once you are done with the demo session, then you will be having the regular batch. The regular sessions will be around 30 to 40 hours, and it will be around weekend or else weekdays. So all basic requirement what the participant need to have is a good internet speed within headsets and a laptop. All the sessions will be conducted through an online meeting app called as GoToMeeting or else WebEx. So this is all about this robot framework online training. Well, it's time to conclude the session. Thank you. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Looking forward to work with you. Have a great day. Bye bye.